Bendy, 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 bendy. I have a question. This one. Question. I know the overground doesn't have a lot of trains. I mean, it does, but it's not like the underground where it comes every minute. What? Yeah, they don't have any lifts here. No, I think they do, but they don't. Are these sharp?
Yes.
Not that sharp, but they're sharp. Let me guess, your hip?
No, my ankle. It's a...
Oh. Look at the view from up here, honestly. Do you like the view?
Huh?
Do you like the view?
Oh.
It's alright, you got it.
What's this?
You know the overground, it's technically a kind of... What happened? What were you looking at?
That smells of Slovenia,
Oh yeah, it does.
right?
Yeah. This is a British Rail class 710.
Yeah.
Yeah. Has 4 carriages. You know what those orange lights are on?
What?
It shows that the door is open and unlocked.
Oh.
And also there's a melon on the track.
There's a melon.
Yep. Just a melon.
Yeah, you're right.
The most random stuff that you find in London.
Melons.
That
Is
sounds...
it still going?
Yeah, why not? Yeah, no. Yeah. 1802. What time is it currently? Yeah, so I'm gonna just continue recording when the train comes. This is a class 710. It's similar to the class 720 which Greater Anglia uses.
One is produced which year they're produced?
I think 2017, I'm not too sure. But it's definitely very modern. Can I press the button on the door? Yeah! I thought I got it perfect.
Leyton Midland Road. This is a suffragette line train to Barking
I don't mind
Riverside.
standing. Alright, we're on the train now. I'll get back to you when we're at Barking Riverside. So I'm gonna end the video over here because it's gonna be safer for me to end the video here instead of at Barking Riverside. I know we're at Barking. Oh look. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end it here because it's high criminality and I don't want my camera to get stolen. Alright. Bye.